good prospects for ongoing viability or medium credit quality. This is what an A or B BBB credit rating from international credit rating company Fitch means. A credit grade that augurs well for the country, with creditor banks in getting loans needed by the government for its programs and projects. Our Harley Valbuena tells us more.
More investments, additional jobs, and easier loans with low interest. These are just some of the fruits of the reaffirmed BBB credit rating of Philippines by the American credit rating agency Fitch. According to the Department of Finance, this means the country has a higher capability in paying its loans to financial institutions, and it has a lower chance of loan default.
Sa BBB rating, which is investment grade, ibig sabihin nito ay mataas ang kakayahan na makabayad sa utang at mababa ang chances na mag-default sa utang na ito.
The factors that led to the reaffirmed good credit rating are the government reforms in strengthening the economy in line with the push for fiscal consolidation and lowering budget deficit. The Philippines, as having the highest economic growth in the ASEAN, also helped in attaining the BBB rating. Due to this, acquiring loans with lower costs is expected because of lower interest the government has to pay in funding projects. The implementation of projects are also seen to expedite due to the easier acquisition of loans. This will eventually encourage investors to pour more investments in the country, which will generate jobs.
Since maganda yung credit rating mo, yung mga investors makikita nila na magandang investment destination ang Pilipinas. So pag mag-invest sila dito, definitely makaka-generate ng trabaho.
Malacanang praised the good credit rating, saying this refutes claims that the country is currently in the dark.
Ibig sabihin ay wala pala tayong record ng default o sa pagbabayad ng utang kahit napakalaki po ng utang na naiwan sa atin noong nakaraang administrasyon. So, ibig sabihin nito ay hindi pala totoong itim ang kulay ng bansa sa ngayon.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.